Are you wondering if YouTube TV offers discounts or promotions? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how you can save money on your subscription. If you're looking for ways to cut costs while enjoying live TV, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV occasionally offers discounts and promotions, especially for new subscribers. These can include free trial periods, discounted monthly rates for the first few months, or special deals during holidays and events. However, these promotions vary over time and may not always be available, so it's important to keep an eye out for official announcements. Additionally, YouTube TV sometimes partners with other services or devices, like Google Fiber or hardware promotions, to bundle savings. Unfortunately, there are no permanent discounts for students, military members, or long-term subscribers at this time. To take advantage of any ongoing offers, check YouTube TV's website or sign up during promotional periods. If this video helped you understand how discounts and promotions work on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.